Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cleo and welcome. So I don't look my best right now, but it's okay because we're not going to be seeing much of my face this video. We're going to be seeing my room. I got a few messages and comments saying that you guys wanted to see a room tour, which is so sweet. I love when you guys give me feedback. But my room isn't very big, so I never really thought to do a room tour because it's just kind of small and like cozy, but I have spent quite a bit of time trying to make it look cute over the time that I've lived here and from the stuff from my old house. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I don't think I'm gonna be walking around and like talking about every single thing because I think it can get a little bit boring, but I'm just gonna like put some like text on it so you know what's going on when I'm showing you guys. I also cleaned my room for this. Shocker. But yeah guys, let's get into the room tour. Okay guys, so yeah, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed, even though that was probably a short video. But if you're new here and you want to see more from me, go subscribe down below. If you want to, you don't have to. If you liked the video, give it a like and comment down below so we can talk and be friends. And yeah guys, I will see you next time.